It is the Friday after Thanksgiving, and we're talking featured sponsor Friday, and we are going to go with the family theme, and we're going to go with the community theme. So we are going to go with Knights Air Conditioning. They are our HVAC expert in our waterfront living. They do an excellent job. And let me just tell you really quick about how we got to Knights Air Conditioning. We called because we had an issue with our air conditioning in our home, and they sent a tech out. And rather than try to sell us a whole bunch of stuff, rather than try to do a whole bunch of things where he could have probably charged us, because I don't know anything about air conditioning other than it keeps the house cool. They said, no, you really just need to do this. They fixed a little thing on there, didn't charge me anything. They charged me for whatever the service visit was, I don't know, $50 or something like that. But could have very easily charged me a whole bunch more and said there was a whole bunch of stuff wrong with it. That's the type of businesses we deal with. That's the type of businesses we work with. They're reputable. They're part of the community. They live here in Waterset. They're a family that runs the business, and it's a great group of people. So if you're having issues with your air conditioning, or you want to get a checkup, or you want to get your service done to it, all great. But if you're looking to upgrade your system, if it's time, if you're in phase one of Waterset, or in one of the other communities around the area, and it's time for you to upgrade your air conditioning unit, you cannot go wrong with Knights Air Conditioning. Their phone number is right here. Okay, make sure you call, speak to the team over there. I promise you they will take good care of you. Their family, it's Thanksgiving. Maybe they have the family dynamic where they fight at Thanksgiving, but we all do that. So it's not a big deal. Definitely call them though if you need help with your AC. If you'd like to become a sponsor and get featured in our publications all across Tampa, or get featured on an episode of Feature Sponsor Friday, contact me today, 16W Media Group. We'll get you started.